I got that going against me too. Hey, it's warm. This morning we got a southwest breeze. We got a lot of cloud cover in place. We have a few sprinkles this morning. I just took a big glug of coffee too. I think I reached my target heart rate for the day. It's starting to move over the Virginia line, and we're going to continue to see at least a few raindrops in the vicinity. There's more. Coming up 85, these are little weak disturbances in the flow. There's heavier clouds coming along with this. This could produce a few sprinkles. This is not going to produce the kind of rain that we've been talking about the last couple of days, at least not initially. This might be enough just to kind of dampen some streets, but I doubt that's even going to happen. It's this next batch that starts to move in later today that'll really start to bring in some of the beneficial rains that we are hoping for with this system. You're waking up this morning, you might consider a much lighter jacket this morning, if a jacket at all. It's close to 50 degrees right now. A little cooler in our northern counties, mid to upper 40s there. We do have a 41 degree reading in Sparta, but finding low 40s has been hard to come by this morning. Rain chances are pretty sparse early on today. Temperatures rising into the 60s by about lunchtime. Our target temperature this afternoon, assuming that the clouds stay heavy all day, should be around 63. Once a warm front passes, if there are a few gaps in the clouds, we could extend those temperatures a little higher, perhaps some mid 60s, but better rain chances come later today, and that kind of starts a more damp period. I think the wettest weather that we're going to see is going to be overnight, late into the first part of tomorrow morning, and then we'll just kind of stay showery during the day on Saturday. Temperatures upper 50s this afternoon to near 60. Notice the higher rainfall chances. This is going to be a band of rain that moves in slowly through our western counties and eventually starts to soak the Triad at a later time today. Temperatures should also reach the mid to upper 50s, really mid 50s. In the mountains later on this afternoon. That's where our highest rain chances will be. So let's kind of go through this visually, and you can see that the rain will start to move into our western counties past lunchtime, and that's where it's going to kind of sit, mostly along and west of the Yadkin River during that time, allowing temperatures in the Triad to get into the low to mid 60s this afternoon. And once we get late day or evening, it becomes a little more showery, and then that intensifies later tonight. We're expecting some pockets of heavy rain with this storm system, and that's when the totals will start to add up. There may be some thunder and lightning embedded in that as well. Then this should start to push to the north, and then we see kind of gusty and showery and warm for that matter for most of Saturday, and then starts to ease out Saturday night. It looked like it might linger into Sunday morning for a while, but if this clears more quickly like we think it will, by Sunday morning temperatures will be cooler. We're not going with 30s for Sunday morning just yet, but it's something that we're watching. High temperatures should be pretty close to 50. So here's that band of rain. Strong thunderstorms are expected over Louisiana, Mississippi, even Alabama through tonight. And then that severe threat does shift in our area. I don't think we'll see many storms here, but there will be a lot of strong winds higher up above the ground in the atmosphere, and any vertical movement could get some of those winds toward the ground. So that's why there's going to be a predominant wind threat with this storm system. I think we could see a few strong gusts with this. It's cooler and drier and even sunnier come Sunday, with some cooler temperatures expected for much of next week.